Besides the flowers that bloom in May, what else do April showers bring? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about solving a safety problem that too much moisture can create right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. If your home has wooden steps on a porch or deck, you know that it only takes a little rain for them to become slippery and dangerous. This is especially true of pressure-treated lumber, even if it isn't painted or stained. Regular cleaning with a scrub brush or pressure washer will improve the situation for a little while, but try this trick for a more permanent solution. Pick up some adhesive-backed non-skid strips at the hardware store. You can buy them individually or in a roll that you can cut to length as needed. When the steps are clean and dry, apply the strips to each step, centered in the space and near the front edge. Now you'll have the traction you need to safely navigate the stairs, rain or shine. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.